I'm Ernest. Welcome to Self-Help Therapy.
There we go. And I'm Cameron, as you probably already know. The reason that I'm posting this video is just as a small announcement that I was able to collaborate with Ernest and Roadside Rescue to talk about some things that psychology has to do with mechanics and cars.
And it's cooler than you think, I bet.
Exactly right. And because, at least for me, a huge source of psychological stress is definitely my car and not really knowing much about cars and having to trust mechanics and worrying that I'm going to be taken advantage of, and especially like what to do when I get in a car accident and what to expect afterward. We're talking all about that on his channel. So this is just a small video to let you guys know to go check that out. I'm going to put those in the description down below, a link to his channel and those videos. So I'm really excited that he agreed to make these with me. So
yeah, let me know if you stop by. Leave a comment down below. I'll try and respond to you. And thanks to anybody who checks it out. Yeah, Cameron's awesome. And I really appreciated everything he does with psychology and really wanted to. I do videos where kind of every now and then we talk about things that are car related. And I thought, man, these are going to be great for people to know.
Yeah, that's awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.
I'm Ernest with Roadside Rescue.
And that's a job well done.
Job well done.